Cheers. Um, Today I want to focus on two main things. The first one is gonna be creating the template, creating the template for the blog post, and the second one is gonna start learning the theory for JavaScript because I wanna start building with Thunder tomorrow. I know. I mean, I just want to have some type of base for the week of vacation, which is so here I'm gonna start. I'm gonna be all this time gonna be dedicated fully for with Thunder. So let's see, September. The goal for today is finish the template for the blog post as well as its backend structure and study JavaScript. I know this would take it's a lot, but I need to do it. I need to learn. One thing is I know. I mean, I have a lot of things to put in the blog post, but I think those are very monotonous tasks. I mean, it's just writing and. I love to write, but I don't have time. I need to build this. I need to build this as soon as possible. Um, so I will build the blog post. I will do it with applied calculus and the I will do it with mathematics, and then I'm gonna leave it for later for future Damian to upload everything, if I need to. So let's do that. Uh, Now, okay. Oh wow. What I mean, so how much time have I spent on web development? Not so much. Like it's 15, what, 17 days? 17 days I learned enough to build my website, so that's cool. That's good. By the way, I'm uploading the session for yesterday. It's mathematics, it's me. Alright, so let's start building that template. Let's see. I want I want to create a new one. Make their let's say I want to create posts. Make their African. Mm, Oceania, Antarctica. Okay. All of them are gonna have the same style CSS and the same JavaScript functionality. Um, they're gonna be. I want to make something like the Gico blog post. So something like that, simple but nice. Let's see. So let's do it. That being said, let's do post. Alright, so CD America, touch, post, index, touch, post, styles, CSS, touch, post, script, DC, touch, applied, calculus, HTML. First one. Now I'm just thinking, do we want to include the navbar there? Let's say, I'm thinking that maybe this is too distracting. So this is this distracting? Oh, but I mean, if you scroll down, it isn't. It's fine. Yeah, I think we want to include. Should I include the nav bar everywhere? You know what? Let's include it, because what if the user is reading and. Alright. Yeah, let's include it. Let's include it in all of them. Let's see. Nice. I kinda like that. Europe, the element. Wait, what do you mean? Let's do the American one. Let's open posts America. Let's say title, calculus, mathematics. Alright, let's open it. What is that? Wait, what do you mean? Testing class. Okay, so rates. Okay, so 1. So you step 1 and then okay. So you step 1. Well, how can I step back 2? Okay, I see. Let's see if it works like that. URL. Background image. No. Okay, good. Now, the post has to be simple, right? It's pretty easy. I think it's gonna be pretty easy. Once that, then it's gonna be let's see, div class post body. Okay, so this is where the body is gonna be, which is rectangular. Let's say the title, and then also to get the plus post title. It's gonna drag from applied calculus. Applied calculus. Okay. Calculus. Let me use. I decided to buy a book for applied calculus. A discipline, mathematical topic that captivated. No, so calculus is quite useful for real life scenarios. By the way, this should be post content and then the class post body, and then okay, so post body, let's go here, inactive, delete that shit. Okay, we don't need this. Section title, timeline. Okay, post classes, CSS. Okay, let me finish this. Now we'll grab a coffee. Perhaps let me do it right now. Coffee. It's really good. So let's see. Let's put it on the center. So post body text align center. Okay, then let's do position relative. Let's see what does position relative. I trust this more. Relative top maybe I can do that. Let's see. Nice, that's what I want. Now I don't want, how can I put this? The margin maybe. So let's see. Let's write something about applied calculus. Okay, applied calculus, then let's see. VR, shoulder, applied calculus. And the date it was created. How to input dates. CSS. No, just put the date. That's it. September 21st. But I didn't start on September 21st. I think February, December. Yeah, I think it was February, right? Okay. Title. So with 100%. Post body content with 100%. Margin bottom. Bottom is gonna be 4%. Let's see, on top is gonna be 80% maybe. Okay, then percent. Post title, then font size. Not that much. Maybe let's do 40%. Yeah, let's go. So how I think it has to be like a standard. By the way, this has to be div class post date post header. Whoa, I felt something. Okay, post title. Nice. Now in between, post header, post body, post title. Bottom. Size, let's see, top, let's do 60. Yeah, I think I like that. Now post title padding, post. Yeah, I think I want to do that. But I'm thinking because I want to limit how to limit text text boundaries HTML. Okay, so post content. Now let's do 100%. Oof. Text align center. Okay, why is not? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove this class from the post body. I just don't want it there. Okay, so let's say post content. Text aligned. Center, let's see. Okay, good. Width. No. Fuck, why? No. I see. But it's not within. I see. Okay, so content. Let's actually. Okay, let's not modify this. So text align center. Now let me delete this. Okay. And then div class post text. All right. Okay, I think that's it. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Let's see, but I want some space there between there. They are. Post date. Let's see. Post date. margin bottom. Let's do 5%. A little bit more. Is it 15? Oh, not so much. 10%. Not so much. What about 8%? Rider is fine. Bottom, how about bottom? 60 px. What about 600 px? No. Alright, let's do the margin then. Okay, that's fine. Now, let's do the font size. Fonts. Let's do the 16px. How about the 26px? Font size. The 32px. No? Oh, I see. The 48px. Okay. That's fine. And here I wanted a little bit shorter. Let's see. I think like that's fine. Perhaps. No, I think 18. And here we're gonna do 44. I think that's fine. That works nice. Let's write it. Let's write a test and see how it goes. Alright, so let's see. When I started working after college, I knew that I was going to utilize mathematics quite often. Perhaps I had before leaving college. I knew that I should. And back then I knew that forgetting about mathematics was forbidden. Really? Forbidden? I didn't know that was a physics. Okay. What do you think of that? Let's write the entire paragraph. I was debating with myself on which mathematics start with to continue. there were the options of arithmetic, calculus, algebra for starters. I decided the choice was calculus due to its description, which quite amazed me. What is calculus? Wikipedia. Site. No. Calculus. And then let's do that one. And ref. Oh, that's it. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so now with 50%. Seems like a lot. Let's see. But I want a rectangle. What does it mean? X align, justify. Exactly. That's what I needed. That's fine. Display. What does that do? Unblock. Okay. And then let's see. I think that's cool, right? Let's do 60% a little bit. I think 60% is nice, cool. Nah, 60. Let's do 58. I think that's cool. 60 is cool. I want to draw a line here. Perhaps never mind now. After that, I decided to go with free of it sources, which is why I after scouring the web, biggest database of all, I found an book which was quite useful because, as I mentioned earlier, I wanted to apply these mathematical rules into real world, real life phenomena. The book was here it is. You do it all, so Hughes Hallett by let's see. Oh, that looks ugly. That looks really ugly. Let's see. And why didn't I close this? I'm not sure. Okay. Now on this maybe apparently. Post text, let's see. Post text bottom. Okay, not so much. Nope. A little more. Not so much. I think 3 is fine. Now, color. Pink, I think that's how. Yeah. Pearl color. I think pearl color is pearl color code. Yeah, I don't know why I'm very obsessed with pearl color, but I just think it's a fascinating color, to be honest. It's like very usable, you know. Let's see. Yeah, sure. Let's do it like that. Oh, but then this happens, so I'll fix that. Don't worry. Over. Blue. Light blue. Cyan. Color code. Let's try that one. I know that because of Minecraft, to be honest. Off. No, that's not very good. Link color codes. Let's do a green. Let's do a greenish. Code shards. Color shards. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think green is cool. I think I already have a class for that one, right? Let's see. Text link, black, dark blue, testing class, nap fonts, okay, let me put class there, color class, color link, color link. Okay, good. Now let me do it. Addition timeline, addition blog post. Now dark color link, color. Let's do it. Title link, potential links, document, query selector all. section. No, it's gonna be color link, and then annotation links for each W class toggle nav dark. Which color do we want? Perhaps yeah, let's do that one. Dark color link. Okay, and then this one. Nice. It's not so nice. Perhaps let's do that one. I mean, maybe it looks nice, no? Wanna see how it looks with the... Whoa. Oh, never mind. Nah, yeah. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Okay, that's fine. Then okay. I decided to purchase the physical copy. Physically. Okay. Which I'm used due to my upbringing in Mexico, where technologically are steps attracted. How do you say? Right behind. Nevertheless, some of the topics, the important topics I learned from this book are modeling. Let's see how I just want to see how it looks like that. That kind of looks nice. Let's see. Let me grab the book actually. So as you can see, I marked it down. I have notes here. And honestly, it's a really nice book. It's a really good book. I think everyone should read it. It will make you understand things. Quite useful, actually. I'm gonna list like the topics. I don't. Well, I mean, let's say optimization for sure. It was one. Differentiation. Actually, optimization. Bolts. How HTML bolt. Strong. Okay. Optimization. Get the best approach given set of data and derivative and formulas derived from observation of particular phenomena. Let's see, another one. I mean, honestly, all of them are. But contour diagrams. Some the top four topics I enjoyed and found most useful were optimization, contour diagram, contour diagrams, a way to visualize a plane in which every point pertains to a particular datum based on a set of rules and set of data derived from the rules, the derivative rules. The metric series. I don't know, I learned a lot, to be honest. And then let's get this too. Marginal custom revenue. Strong. Revenue. Includes the use of parameters and time, but also fixed costs of equipment and materials, such as fuel, rebar, lumber, among others. Using calculus, the material of and the topic of marginal cost and revenue, one can estimate when is optimal to use the less amount of people for a task and the more amount of people fixed costs for each individual on time. We have a compact and by the way, I'm reading this from the book because I wrote a note here saying why I think this topic is important. How to compact square feet of sediment. Each compactor requires of equipment, fuel. The question is it better? Is it better to do it with one person with more hours, or finish it quickly with end amount of people? You see how time and other parameters mingle each other. That's calculus answer. Okay. And there was another one is quite useful too. Lastly, let's do the top 3. Okay. You can see, learning mathematics is quite useful for real life applications, especially when your profession involves the use of intuition and transactions, quantities, time series, and use logic overall. Would it be better to have your logic and intuition backed by mathematical rules rather than subjective artistic conclusions, which the fourth latter tends to be most used the go-to choice in this industry. Learn mathematics, plain and simple. Plain and simple. Just learn mathematics and apply them to your profession. You will find avenues, unprecedented avenues, and the use and usage of acquired knowledge, which most likely will make your interesting for you, but preeminently will allow you to see how math is embedded in every phenomenon. Receive. Okay, that's it. So that's it. I mean, does it look nice though? Font size. Let's see, 14. No, say 16. I think that's cool. And like that, guys, I mean, this is okay, good. I'll be back. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Oh shit, but we didn't attach it to. Okay, we need to attach it to the actual website. That being said, let's do America. Let's see, section link, yeah. Applied calculus. Now, okay. Okay, now let's see, America. Okay, section link, let's see. Exactly, mate. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, let's push it through. Okay. Should work now. Should really work now. Also, I don't like this. Yeah, fuck. I don't think it's gonna work. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay, is it over? No? Okay, America. Yeah. But okay. Let's see. Now there's that. And let's fix that, and then let's work on how to say this, JavaScript. I'm learning JavaScript. I know I need to finish this one, but like I said, it's too monotonous. I want to learn. I want to learn more right now. I want to leave the work that is not monotonous to when my state of mind is clear. Right now I just woke up like an hour ago, 2 hours ago. I feel good. I feel fresh. I want to learn this way. But let me fix that because that looks way ugly. Too ugly. It looks very ugly. So, um, hmm, I'm thinking because here, I mean, post. I feel it's because. So what if we add another point maybe? Well, I mean, let's just add it there, I guess. So, let's see. Images. Posts. Okay, now it works. Now I think all of these guys have to be in the same. It has to work, right? Has to work. Let's see. Allocated yes file for the blog post signs. They all will be the same. And let's see if that works. I mean, we need to make sure that works. Yeah, okay. So, okay, I'll be back, guys. Alright, let's see how it was. How it looked. Okay, then you go to American. Click here. Sends you there. Nice. What the oh, come on, man. Oh, there, yes. Nice. Then light mode. It works perfect. Okay. About. So this looks nice. This looks perfect. Okay, good. Alright, time to learn JavaScript. I think so far it looks really good. I mean, I know I need to upload this, but so far, I mean, this is pretty much it. I mean, I think I'm done here. Wait, what do you mean? Wait, why? Oh, I moved it. Okay. So let's see if it should work. I will get my. I will walk my cat. I'll be back. Okay. So let's see. About America. Nice. Nice. That's good. That's nice. That's nice. Benefits of sex. Okay. Let's start with JavaScript. Oh, I think that's for comments, right? Okay, so JavaScript. Interacting maps. Exactly. Exactly. This is what we need. Interacting maps. By the way, I just wanted to mention that we are basically done with our personal website. I mean, like I said, I don't really need to display something else. I mean, this is a static. This is no JavaScript. Like there is nothing here. Besides, this is the only JavaScript thing. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. We need to secure it though. Yeah, that's true. We need to secure it. So that being said, also make sure you secure your with HTTPS. The thing is, like, whenever I try to log in into it, especially in Windows computers, it prompts me a message that it's not a safe website, which I mean, that's I understand, you know. This is what we need: interactive maps. Yes. This is exactly what we need. This is amazing, man. But before learning this, by the way, we need to learn the basics of JavaScript. My question is, how can we learn JavaScript? We need a project to build on, right? This is my website, by the way. This is mine. Mm. I'm thinking, should we? Let's figure that out. No. Let's learn a little bit and then let's figure that out. Let's start with this JavaScript first steps, and then building after building blocks. We'll see. By the way, let's write something. Okay, sorry, I began to read something in Google Keep. I was writing a fragment. Anyway, let's continue. By the way, you might wonder, what are we doing here? Why are we reading this? And I know that practice, hands-on practice gives you like a lot of knowledge too. Like you can learn a lot about it. But I wrote a fragment once that theory has to precede practice. I believe, at least superficially. At least superficially. But why? Because how can you practice something if you don't know that the let's say you have like building blocks, right? How can you use the building blocks if you don't even know they exist? Theory, what theory tells you and theory gives you is that the it makes you aware of the existence of such building blocks. For example, here in JavaScript, you know that the cons work, that equal sign work, that parentheses work, that this work. That in order to create a function, you need to type function, the function name, parentheses, etc. Like all of those might look obvious in practice, but if you are aware of their existence before practicing with them, I think you will have like a roadmap of what to do. I mean, it will not be concrete, of course, but at least you will know that the building blocks exist. And once you put, let's say there are 100 building blocks, you know that those 100 building blocks exist. I'm pretty sure that at least there is a chance that you can connect one and the other, and from there, then you can see what connects with those two connected together, and for three. Then from those three, maybe you can connect another four or the numbers 26 and connect it, and then you start to build. But in order to start to build, you need to be aware of its existence. So that's what we're doing here. I'm making sure that we are aware of such existence here, and yeah, I mean, I want to be aware of what of the things we can do. Then I'm still gonna start building things. So I just wanted to clarify that because I couldn't stop thinking about it. Right now let's read. Interesting. That's what we need. Then it looks like server side is even better. Okay, this already now. All right, let's say desktop. Let me clean this up. Okay, it's nice. Let's see. Boom, boom. Google Clouds. Okay, let's continue. Oh wait, let's publish this. Let's publish this. Let's publish it down. Okay, let's see now. Public, just to show everyone. Publish it on X. No one tells this is X, but close. Nice. Okay. Never listen to those videos. Just do it. If you want to, just do it. Okay. This looks nice, right? Yeah. A bit, a lot of creativity. Your boss. Like, I hate it that they give you like a society just gives you like a tutorial on how to work. You know how to respond to bosses, how to apply this so your boss is happy, how to manage your public persona for a better job. Like, what? Focus on creating your own stuff. Like, materialize your own idiosyncrasy. Stop thinking. That's why I hate LinkedIn. Like, everyone is just trying to get a job there. Like, why is the goal getting a job and not just creating a job or focusing on what you want? Okay, I don't really think as a programmer. I don't want them to teach me how to think as a programmer. I just want to be, let's see. Okay. Okay. Query selector selects the classes, right? This is just basically selecting the classes, random number, creating the random number, selecting the classes, and creating another number and another variable which doesn't have a value. By the way, let's assign. I don't know, man. I just my mind is just built to create. I'm I'm thinking about ideas to implement. It's hard to focus on theory a lot. Not because I have attention disorder. Is that I just want to create. I'm thinking about ideas to how to do things, how I want the Wisunder to look, the colors, the plan, which is good. I'm glad that I'm thinking about that and not something stupid like a TV series or a fucking meme. Okay, so the plan for the following days before vacation is to build the HTML and CSS layers always under. We want to dedicate our vacation to build the actual JavaScript PHP code. So what I'm talking about is that here I'm gonna be in vacation for 2 weeks almost. I wanted 2 weeks, but it's too late already. Well, I just didn't have enough credits to rest. I mean, I know I hate to say that, but I'm currently in the profession industry, and I hate it. I have this from the second, not from the third, all the way here. So it's gonna be cool. I have 10 days. Right? Yeah, I think so. So between those days, between all this week and this weekend, perhaps I will have enough time to build basically what the HTML and the CSS for Wisunder. I will learn how to implement premium memberships, etc., etc. But for now, I really want to have like a skeleton to build, and I don't want to build the HTML here. I want to fully dedicate it to the complex stuff. Okay. Interesting. Let's see. Is that the random function? No. Okay. I'll be back, guys. Okay, so Okay. So yeah, they create the number, right? Previous guesses. So let me see the. Nice. It's a nice game, to be honest. I still understand why. I mean, what if it's not one? Oh, if it's not one, then we just put the text. I see. I see. I see. Right. So yeah, here's they are changing the text based on this one because they assign the classes there. That's interesting. Input, nice. Okay, nice. And then they display it. That's interesting. If you guess it's random number. Yeah. Oh, field value. Okay, I see. And that's in the input, right? guest field. That's gonna be the input label tag, I suppose. Yeah, nice. That's interesting. Events. At this point, we have an action from the check guest function. Okay. Nice. Okay. Add the event listener. So let's try that. Let's see how that looks. Disable. So start. So you disable. I see. So you disable the input, right? Which is this one. Oh no, where is it? The input labels, number, guest field, guest submit, guest field. So game over. That's interesting. Submit true. So in order, okay, that's interesting. There's at bottom. Create element. Wow. Start new game. Body. Append the reset button. Set game. I didn't know you can create that. I mean, that's interesting. Soul Paras. This is gonna be Soul Paras. Okay, so it sets all of the paragraph to empty things, right? Yeah. Value. Then there should be, yeah, event listener set game. Okay, you created a new bottom, start a new game. I see. Set bottom. Interesting. That hit once you hit that you utilize that function, this utilize also starts. This function also starts. This is what the thing I don't understand. I don't understand what gets field focus. That's interesting. Okay. So that's basically when you need to input information like your name, etc. You will use focus. Okay. Troubleshooting. I will not have mistakes, so I'm gonna skip this one. I don't know. I don't tend to have mistakes. So storing the information using the variables is an interesting one. Let me go to a restroom real quick. Okay, let me see. Let's continue. Even entire functions. Wow. So you assign it first and then you assign a value after. That's why. Which this is the ideal one because I mean, first of all, you save lines of code. The second of all, you actually understand the variable better. Because if you assign it first and then you assign the value, it's like you're doubling the work instead of doing it at once. You know. What's the work? Ancient browsers. Yeah, I mean, I like creating. I don't like to read only, you know. Okay. Yeah, everyone does. Everyone should, to be honest. The fuck. Let me see how famous websites. Let's see. Famous service websites. Let's see. Zoom. Products, solutions, resources, contact sales, search, support, request a demo, join. It's a good. I need something like this. It has to be motion, right? So are these two navigation bars? Nav. And oh yeah, there are two navigation bars. That's interesting. Oh shit, okay. Okay. So it just basically has like a small picture or what? It's interesting. That's easier than what I thought. So in this case, mm, let's see, top 10 websites. So let's see, Squarespace. Yeah, I mean that's not dedicated. Let's study top 10 websites. Hmm. Let's finish the JavaScript. So today let's finish JavaScript a little bit, at least the basics. And then, so reminders. Europe. Yeah, this is true. Alright, working with list what we need to do. So it's under. Okay, so take references from the top 10 service websites. Sue, Procore, I don't know, Procore. Look, it's simple. It's quite simple. This has to be way better. I mean, Apple is like, it's too much. I mean, it's also simple. I mean, but look at this. It just looks clean, you know. Which colors do we need? Let's say Procore, Bluebeam. It's a website. I mean, it offers you everything right away. But that's the thing. That's the thing. I mean, it's, let's see, Procore. Others. Just to study them. Study them. Just to study them. Get straightforward. Yeah, I agree. Forward. So let's see, Procore. I like the design. I mean, look. Maybe like this, and then we put like a GIF of what you actually can do. You know. Maybe we can even build an app. It's a good idea, man. What's another service that people tend to use? Let's see, Microsoft Excel. I mean, I know I'm talking only about the industry I work in, but look, pretty simple, quite simple. It's the demo, what you can do, and then the pricing. Doesn't look that bad in a way. Okay. Let's leave it like that. I'll finish this section and then I'm gonna start learning. I don't know. I wanna learn while at work. Never mind. No, not true. Let's work. And I wanna learn later. I will finish this and then start these ones. Or perhaps I should finish two at least. Two and then I'll start with these three. I wanna start to build with Sonder already. I mean, I wanna have an idea, a rough idea of what we're gonna be doing. And I feel that we should hurry up on that iPhone app because someone else might get the idea. Fuck. So let's build this, and then we're gonna need to turn it into an application, a phone application. So first, let's develop it in on a web application. Then the next step is gonna be um, uh, the phone application. Then we're gonna be developing the projects in the website, then the projects in the phone application. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, this is just easy stuff, to be honest. Interesting. Okay, whenever the bottom gets clicked, it will operate this if bit text content. So machine with the bottom content was the stop machine, but only when it's clicked, right? Machine started, pretty easy. Okay. Text. Power of words. Who said this? Okay, sure. Okay. What's console log? I wonder what that does. To the console. Okay. Nice. Hello, how are you? Then you can change. It's interesting. You can change the. It's like the visuals are the HTML and the CSS, and it's like this marionette. JavaScript is like this. So appears. The marionette is the display. So the marionette is basically, let's say, the width is HTML, then the ropes, the clothing, it's CSS, right? And JavaScript is basically these lines. So with JavaScript, you can actually control, because the marionette is pretty for itself. Like, you don't need control to make it pretty. Like, it's already pretty, it already exists, it's already formed, it's already an anthropomorphic object, which is cool. I mean, people can still play with that without the ropes here. But once you apply ropes, once you apply JavaScript to a website, because the website will be nice and will look cute as itself without moving, a static website, right? Just as mine. Just as mine as how it is. This looks nice. It looks, I mean, I think it looks professional. It looks simple, but it's not moving. It's just a marionette. Right now it has wood, which is the HTML, and it has clothing, which is all of the aesthetic features, like the background, the letters, this how do you say it? Hiratory. I mean, this is spinning a world, but once we apply JavaScript to our website, we can actually move the width of the marionette and the clothes attached to it. So basically, this is a good analogy. I mean, This is web development basically. I mean, yeah, HTML is the wood, CSS is the clothing, and JavaScript is the ropes that control the marionette. It's interesting. It's an interesting analogy. I'm gonna write it. An interesting analogy to understand web development. A web application is like a marionette. HTML represents the wood of the marionette. What the marionette is composed of, either wood or metal. CSS is the R, represents the clothing of the marionette, the hair, the eyes, basically the aesthetic features of the marionette. A puppet, a marionette, is pretty with only those two. People are satisfied, tend to be satisfied with only those two features. When purchasing for their children. However, once you attach ropes to the marionette and make it motional. Is that how you say it? Motional with your hands, then the value of the increases. Not only the value, but the perception and usage of the marionette as well. JavaScript is just like that. The ropes that make the marionette move certain way to increase placement. No, to increase joy, I guess. Joy, functionality, sensation, or mere aesthetic values. All right, let's continue. You see? Of course, in order to play a marionette, we need to be the exteriors with our hands. And I mean these words, I don't know how to pronounce it. Dexterio. Showing our having skills, especially with the hands. Dexterios. Let's say translate. Dexterous. We had to be dexterous and to operate the marionette, which translates to we need to know how to use JavaScript in order to operate the marionette, in order to make that beautiful marionette move and increase its value, its functionality, and use its aesthetic view, and also its utilitarianism. Practical rather than attractive. Alright, let's continue. I see. So where is the prompt? That's nice. Template literals, what do you mean? Yeah. Not necessarily why we would prefer to use this than this. That's nice. So we can. That's interesting. Really? Wow. Okay. Okay, use the same as Python, right? Like length. That's interesting. Okay, that's interesting. It starts with. It's with nice finding the position of a substring in a string. Developers. Tagline index off. I don't understand what's going on, but no, no, thank you. No, no, thank you, but I get it. That's cool. So I have an idea that I want to form like a ASL AI, like that you do hand gestures and you guess. You basically you learn how to speak ASL, and I think I'm gonna do it here on a web app. So that's nice. That's cool. But that's a later topic. Right now we are focusing on this with Under. It's nice. Okay. Let's see. No, but that's Python. Why? Let's see. Double words. Slice. Okay. That's interesting. Okay. Hmm. I know what an array is. Shopping, okay. Sequence. Oh wow, you can? Nice. Array, log, length, okay. Nice. Nice. You can do that too. Nice. That will be two. And I know this because of Python. I mean, basically they're just showing me how to do this with JavaScript, which is good, but right now we're just focused on something else. I think what it's really gonna matter is here building blocks. I don't know. Something tells me that that's where the real stuff is gonna be. Oh, nice. You can push. Okay. Okay. Splice. Wait, what do you mean? That's 1, right? If index does not equal -1, so this is splice index 1 dash 1. I see. From index all the way to 2. I see. That's interesting. That I wish Python had that too. That would be nice. Or perhaps like what is a compiler? What is a compiler? I see. Ouch. It's interesting. This is exactly what I need. Okay. Arrays. Okay. Split. So there is that. Okay. That's nice. It's nice. Okay, next one. Building blocks. Oh fuck, I don't really want to build this. Something like this. No, I can do this for free, I know that. Just gonna be sending it, but I will do that later. I mean, that's later. Let's see. How to how to not make your spam. I'm thinking I'm just thinking like where should I start building it or Magic Gallery? This is good though. This is really good. 1 hour. I'm gonna do some exercise and I'll be back. In the meantime, I mean, where are we gonna be hosting with Sunder? This is our website. I know this. In Bluehost. Can you do JavaScript in Bluehost? Stupid question, sure, but so best web hostings. What is WordPress? Popular websites hosted in Bluehost. So none of them. I mean, mostly. Let me. Where do you host? I mean, I just want to know where to host websites. Where to host websites. What are the let's see. Where can I ask this? What are the best website hosters? Let's go. Let's try with Bluehost. I mean, So GoDaddy. It's a fucking awful name. I guess I'll be back. I will fix things. I will try to also do the security, the HTTPS, and host my website with Thunder so we can start building. And after that, we'll start building with Thunder. But since those involve personal details, I will see you guys later.